Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to send Ronin to Binance. It's not something difficult. I'm going to share with you the steps right now so you can be able to know how to do it. So I'm gonna open the browser, and here, as you can see, these are the steps, and I'm gonna show you the steps with the pictures or the screenshots so you can exactly know what you have to do. So first of all, open Binance and log into your account, and then hover your mouse over the wallet tab and click choose fiat and spot. Now click on search coin bar and type SLP, and make sure you click on the first one, SLP, not the SLP old, and click on deposit. Okay, now what you need to do is to click on network, and on network choose Ronin. Okay, so after choosing Ronin, please be mindful of this warning. So that's the warning that they're gonna tell you. If you are transferring your assets from your Ronin wallet, please replace the address prefix from 0x to Ronin. Okay, so now what you need to do is to go ahead and paste the copied address. Now change the 0x to Ronin, and then if you did not do it correctly, you will get an invalid sign and you will not be able to proceed. Now you can type in the amount of SLP that you want to send. So as you can see here, they said that they deposit 5 SLP, and then they click on next to proceed. So that's it, guys. They just put or deposit address, and they're gonna click on next, and they're gonna wait for the confirmation. So sometimes transactions might take a while to complete. Lastly, go check the activities tab on your Ronin wallet to see if the transaction is successful. As you can see, he successfully deposited 5 SLP to his Binance account, and after a bit it was successful. You will get a notification in your Binance account that you have successfully deposited 5 SLP. So as you can see, guys, this was the steps that you need to follow in order to send Ronin to Binance. It's not something difficult. Just follow the steps that I just showed you, and with the screenshots that I showed you in this video, and you're going to be able to send Ronin to Binance. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.